is not just an action of art. It is the originality from anyone's thought. After all, it was God's creativity that created the beauty in our communities, not just in looks and styles, but in personalities. I am a walking thinking bubble. Every step I take, a new idea generates. I feed off of imagination, producing novel creations. What happened to the days when we were graded on our imagination? Now we are taught to deny its cultivation. We are so used to using our eyes to see ideas rather than using our brain to produce our own. Judgment and logic are commonly used, but now our creative impulses are refused. We need creativity. We need originality. It is a necessity, so let's rebirth individuality.